going to do work example 15. So we have this data. It says for the data above, calculate the median, the mean, and the mode. It doesn't say what type of data it is. All I know is that they're whole numbers. So it can be whatever, number of shoes, number of whatever, chocolates that I have eaten, whatever, doesn't matter. So it's a whole number. So now, first thing, I'm not going to calculate these ones manually, okay? If you want to practice how to calculate these ones manually, I recommend that you do it by hand and then also use your CAS just to check your information when you're doing your questions. But how do you calculate your mean? You have to add all this data and then divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's how you calculate your mean. Your median, you have to sort it from smallest to largest and find the value in the middle, okay? And the mode is going to be the one that occurs the most fashionable one. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm going to, if you go into your JAC Plus, you will find that here it says non-calculator, and you will see here how they calculate it, okay? But also if you go into Texas Instruments, you will find instructions of what I'm going to explain now. Here, wonderful. So we have this data and we are going to go into your CAS calculator. I have already entered here the data so that it doesn't take me as long entering and we don't waste video time. I'm going to call this column A. Good. Remember that once you enter the column, just to select all, you just go into the name and go up and you have selected all the data. I'm going to sort it only so that we can find the mode, okay? So I'm going to go, remember how to do this? I already taught how to do this. We go into menu, actions, and sort. And sort A by ascending, okay. Good, there it is. Now, we're going to find our central tendency. So we're going to go into menu, and we are going to go into statistics. And we're going to do stat calculations. Oh, I made a mistake, sorry. Menu, statistics, stat calculations. Good. And we're going to go into one. Remember that when doing one variable statistics, here I only have one variable, so we're going to go into one variable. Good. So it says how many lists do we have? We only have one. All good. And it's saying x1 is at least one. Yes. Frequency, this is going to be useful later on, but at the moment we stay at 1. And it says where we want to put our results. We're going to put it in column B, so that's okay. We press OK. What happened here? Maybe I didn't select something. I'm going to undo what I just did, and I'm going to do it again. So menu, statistics, stat calculations, one variable, one. Maybe when I said here, I want it. Okay, that's it. I had to select the variable, that is this one, A. Okay, because I call it A. I could have called it anything else. Just not confusing. And this, when it has this like a square brackets, is talking about the column. And then we say, okay, there we go. All good, it worked. Now, this symbol here is what we use for our mean. So it's saying that it's 23/5, okay? So if I want to find that in decimals, what I'm going to go is going to my Scratchpad. And I'm going to do 23 divided by 5, Control Enter, and it says that it's 4.6. So my mean, which, as I said, this is the symbol that we use, is equal to 4.6. Wonderful. Our median, I'm going to go back into our document. I don't know how to swap to the document, to be honest. So I'm going to go here and just go boom. There we go. I have it here. So, so I have my mean here, and then we are finding what is our So it says that we have 10 numbers. Here we go. And the median is 9/2, which is 4.5. So our median is 4.5. And then the mode, how are we going to find the mode? I'm just going to go into my data that I have here, and I'm going to say which one is the one that repeats the most. 3 comes 1, 2, 3. There you go. I'm going to check my answers with JAC+. So I'm going to go into JAC+, and I'm going to say, okay, when they did the non-calculator one, I want to see, okay, the median, 4.5. Brilliant. The mean, 4.6. Good. And the mode, 3. Wonderful. The fact that these two numbers are so close together, it means that this data will be symmetrical. Okay, good. Fantastic. I'm going to continue in the next video. I hope that I'm more efficient in the next one.